is my own salute.
What's up guys? Welcome to my channel Easy Pronunciation KS. In this video, you'll learn another pronunciation tip so that you can improve your speaking. In this video, we will practice how to incorporate slangs into our everyday conversations. Use wanna in fast speech instead of want to. Examples: I wanna speak English fluently. I wanna speak English fluently. I wanna make a lot of money. I wanna make a lot of money. They wanna move to another city. They wanna move to another city. Use gonna in fast speech instead of going to. Examples: I'm gonna study medicine. I'm gonna study medicine. Some people say I'm gonna study medicine. I'm gonna study medicine. She's gonna study chemistry. She's gonna study chemistry. Tim's gonna pass the exam. Tim's gonna pass the exam. Use should've or shoulda instead of should have. Examples: I should have studied another program. 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 My friend should have worked earlier. 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 Peter should have read the book. 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 Use lemme instead of let me. Examples: let me see. Let me see. Let me take you there. Let me take you there. Let me explain the plot. Let me explain the plot. Use gimme instead of give me. Examples: give me my book. Give me my book. Give me my backpack. Give me my backpack. Give me a break. Give me a break. Use outta instead of out of. Examples: she's out of the house. She's out of the house. He's out of money. He's out of money. Use tryna instead of trying to. Examples: I'm trying to tell you about that. I'm trying to tell you about that. I'm trying to tell you what to do. I'm trying to tell you what to do. I'm trying to tell you what to do. He's trying to speak his mind. He's trying to speak his mind. He's trying to speak his mind. The doctor's trying to find out what's going on. The doctor's trying to find out what's going on. The doctor's trying to find out what's going on.
Thank you so much for watching. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. Practice makes perfect.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.